What colour is she?
Montreal blue.
Montreal blue. It's gorgeous in the
Hence
sun.
the nickname.
Yeah.
Monty in the sun.
Well, yeah. What's it, 1.8?
1.9.
1.9.
4-cylinder.
4-cylinder.
1997.
That is it. It's in mint condition.
13 owners.
13 hours.
Yeah.
Yeah.
143,000 on the clock.
143. I don't know if we can get in there. Yeah, 143. Beauty.
Well, a lot of work been done.
Yeah.
Paid 1,000 for it.
1,000 for it.
And then added wheels to it. Chrome hoops. Different headlights.
Got the Zen on the big.
The halos.
Halos, has it? Yeah. Oh yeah.
Halos. The pictures on the side.
Yeah. Oh yeah, like strobes, aren't they? That's cool.
It was just a hobby car for COVID.
Yeah.
So I bought it and then I just worked on it.
Yeah.
And it's just fun to drive.
It is.
For the price, I just thought it was just worth having it. Maybe have it for 5-10 years and then move it on.
Yeah. I keep it for longer as well.
Yeah.
Has it got a power hood or manual? Manual. Yeah. You pop the hood.
Sorry?
Pop the hood. Have a look at the old there.
Alright, mate. Yeah, I will do.
That's retrofitting. Wow. Taking over nicely. Yeah.
Sorry about. They always have a problem with the oil filter housing.
Yeah. Well, what do you reckon you spent on it? How much is the engine?
No.
Yeah. I noticed these splitter you put on the front. Is it?
Aftermarket.
Aftermarket, yeah. Yeah. That's right. The old
The arches are plastic.
oh yeah. Yeah. It is. Well, never roll, will it?
Okay, the sills go a little bit.
Yeah. Do you have to replace the struts? You know, the gas struts. Do you have to replace them?
Oh yeah,
On the rear, yeah.
Not a great deal of room in the boot.
No.
It's not for that big, is it?
No.
Shocking.
It's a weekender, isn't it? Or your toolkit. Hey, your polishing pads. Oh, but yeah, and eBay.
eBay, yeah.
Yeah.
Different grades, so you can.
Yeah.
You've got to be careful polishing them, haven't you?
Yeah. This is new exhaust.
Just
That looks.
and then a tailpipe.
Yeah.
It only came with a single.
Yeah. Got a nice build. Come on, give us some beats. I love the windshield at the back.
That's the annoying.
Is it?
That's,
Has it left your lights
that's
on?
yeah.
Right.
That's the annoying sound.
This come with the bars?
No, it's all separate.
Yeah.
Drilled into the top posts here. and that was obviously manufactured to fit. So
Yeah.
and then I joined the club, the Z Roadster Club.
Oh yeah. There you go. zroadster.org. What's the mileage on it?
25, I think it is.
25,000.
Yeah, a little bit less maybe. It's
What engine's in it?
it's the K series 1.8.
Okay.
It's the VDC one. It's been, when I went through the history of it, it's had a few bits and pieces done to it as well. It's been ported and mapped and whatever else as well. So it's I think it's putting out about 180 brakes, something like that maybe. It only weighs 504 kilos, so it's
It's nothing. No.
There's nothing of it.
The exhaust on it's awesome.
Yeah, I think so,
You couldn't start it up, could you?
yeah, with little keys.
Yeah.
Nice, isn't it?
Yeah, it's beauty. So like carbon fibre.
Nice garage, isn't it?
Yeah.
Of this size, mate.
What a beast. Like driving a go-kart, isn't it? Really?
It's literally,
Yeah.
it's getting in this thing, fitting in, it's so tight.
Yeah. Don't think I'll fit in that. Yeah, have a go.
Do you feel when you're getting in it?
Go on then.
So use everything apart from the windscreen. So you put your hands on that, and then on that you'll be alright, you get in. That's it. You in?
Oh, it's tight, isn't it? Right.
Bit snug, innit?
It is. Once you're in, you're not moving anywhere.
You're not going anywhere, yeah, that's it. When you're in, that's it, done.
Yeah. It's getting back out now.
I was going to say, we'll leave you to it. We'll come back in a week.
To know when it's get out.
Yeah, it's really tight.
Handbrake's off, isn't it?
Yeah, it's off.
It's got different dancing, right?
Yeah.
Now try and get it back out.
Stand on the seats would be easier. There you go, done. Natural. There you go.
Thank you. That's lovely. Thanks for letting us see it. Yeah.
It's I was the one who bought the XK8.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
That's yeah.
Lovely things, those.
Oh yeah, they're gorgeous.
Really nice.
Yeah, they're quite for a V8 engine. They're quite frugal, really.
Is it?
Yeah, you know, just on motorway cruise and that.
Yeah.
It's better than the Mondeo.
Really?
Yeah. You wouldn't think that.
along.
Yeah.
It's
When you
proper-
hammer it, then it does use the gas light. But,
Yeah, yeah.
yeah.
That's a proper cruise down to the Mon car, that is, isn't it?